Reviews of the Shure AONIC products. There are certain features you would probably expect in a pair of true wireless earbuds for under $200, £200, $300 Australian. Additionally, the AONIC Free has unexpected features, a bulky design, for example. Still, the Shure AONIC Free are worth considering, despite rivals like Sony's WF-1000XM4. The excellent sound quality, the easy-to-use control app, and the comfortable fit make them a great competitor. Compared to Apple's AirPods Pro earbuds, which are priced similarly, the AONIC are substantially cheaper and sound better. Shure AONIC Free are now available. In the UK, they cost £179. You can find several AONIC Free competitors with better specs on paper within this price range. There are a few other quality alternatives, including Sony, Sennheiser, and Bang & Olufsen, among others. Shure AONIC Free are big, pill-shaped earbuds, like Bluetooth headphone sets from the mid-noughties. Some people will be turned off by the size alone, which is unfortunate. Despite their size and weight, the AONIC Free are very comfortable thanks to their ergonomic shape and comply foam ear tips. Your music streaming subscription will benefit from SBC, AAC, and apps codecs via Bluetooth 5. The size and composition of the driver in each earbud appear to be a secret. As we shall discuss a little later, these drivers are effective regardless of their size or material. The earbuds have no touch controls. Rather, the top edge of each earbud has a single physical button that controls play/pause, volume up/down, environment mode, answer/and/reject calls, and mute mic. This feature is similar to most true wireless in-ears, but Shure's AONIC variations have a couple of differences. In the app, you can adjust the mode in 10 stages. The second feature, called Pause Plus, keeps your selected environment mode ready for pause, otherwise, it'll not appear. The Shure Plus Play app is also useful. There are 7 EQ settings, plus you can create your own. Shure Plus Play lets you rearrange the earbud controls, customize confirmation tones, track battery life, and update software. Shure likes to brag how effective its passive noise isolation is, and it's true, the AONIC Free are one of the most effective designs to reduce external noise. All worthwhile rivals have active noise cancellation, and some of them are excellent. Even when you remove one, or both, of the earbuds, the AONIC Free will keep playing. Although the buds and case offer battery life of 7 hours, almost every competitor offers longer battery life. Shure AONIC Free would be a bigger story if it sucked. Those who read this review thinking I know how this ends, you were right. The AONIC Free sound great, as we have long come to expect from Shure. Try listening to Fusa Right by Bobby Hughes Experience via Apple Music to get a feel for Shure audio. They present the music as a single, unified entity while allowing separation and focus, making each element easy to follow. There is ample punch, but the bass doesn't overpower, doesn't drag at tempos, and stays well out of the way of the midrange. With almost indecent levels of detail, the midrange itself sounds every bit as engaging, immediate, and idiosyncratic as if it were live. It has a well-controlled bite and crunch, an impression of substance without lethargy. The Shure create an incredibly convincing stage. No matter if you enjoy the lope of reggae or the headrush of EDM, the AONIC Free will deliver the goods. In addition to the broadest volume shifts, they have the finest harmonic differentials. Integration is a non-issue, neither is the vexed question of musicality.